Hi, Michael Canales here. We're at OFC 2025 at the Marvell booth. And I'm speaking to Annie Liao, my coworker, the product line manager for PCIe products at Marvell.
Thank you.
And one thing about this demo here, and we'll get to it, is PCIe, most people just associate it as like tiny traces or small traces on the side of a circuit board, but it's used in a lot of different ways. Like for instance, this demonstration.
That's right. So this is a technical demonstration to actually extend the PCIe trace length beyond the electrical limitation. So by converting the PCIe Gen 6 signal to optical, we can actually extend the reach to 10 meters of cable length, which is like across multiple racks already.
Yeah. Now, where would somebody use something like that?
So one of the typical example of extended PCIe cable reach is to scale up AI. So the AI accelerator, they either have I think the most popular one is NVLink. There are also another way is using Ethernet base. But one of the better way is actually to use the PCIe protocol, because PCIe is a de facto standard and a spec for all the devices, computer devices out there. Either CPUs or GPU or NICs all have PCIe interfaces, right? So using PCIe to connect multiple accelerators together for scale-up AI is actually a better and a low latency way.
Yeah, low latency, people know how to use it. It's great for this. So, and with something like this, a 10-meter cable, that can be a computer or a server that transcends multiple racks. I mean, this would be hundreds of GPUs.
That is correct. This can also be used for the host system to manage all the GPUs among multiple racks as well. So not only GPU to GPU, but also CPU controlling all the different GPU or accelerator across multiple racks.
Excellent. Now over here, we have something slightly different, a little different one. So this is
the PCIe Gen 6 active electrical cable. So what it brings is it's not converting the PCI signal to optical, but we kind of put the retimer within the cable cage. That is going to maximum extend the electrical length. So this one we have is a 7-meter AEC cable running Gen 6 signal.
excellent, great. Excellent. AEC, like AOC, fairly new to the market, came out a few years ago. But really now is when customers are...
Now is when customer can really leverage the technology. And what is different from the traditional AEC or AOC is those are running Ethernet protocol.
Yeah.
And this is like PCIe. We can do all the same thing. We can use PCIe to scale out, scale up, not scale up. Scale up and connecting devices across multiple locations.
Yeah, that latency is great for chip-to-chip, which
is correct.
You get a little better there. And that's PCIe Gen 6. 64 gigatransfers per second.
That's right.
But then we're also going beyond that.
Yes. Actually, here we have our third demo, which is a PCIe Gen 7 SerDes over 10 feet of the optical connection. So this technology demonstration is actually running at PCIe Gen 7, 128 gigatransfer per second. So this actually paved the way for the next generation after PCIe Gen 6. So we in Marvell, we have all the technology already built, and we're just waiting for the ecosystem and patient. So please come forward. Marvell Technology have the best PCIe.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.